the topic today, you know. Too much violence in our country, you know. We see a bag of things are going on. How them call it? So. We don't know what the government are trying to do, you know. Now we see a spike in increase over this year. And we don't really like it, so we want to talk about it. You see me? So we see what going on right now, where the streets they must say.
I say, man, right now, yo, we youth, them not living no life. We want to bring back Jamaica back in the days when, yo, youth used to have fun when them young. And enough fun now, want to be a gun thing.
Yo, we have everything for say, man. We are Jamaica, and there I want to love what I go on. If we bring back the thing, you see me? Loving of the thing. Remember, Bob Marley say one love.
Right now, the youth them go check them grandmother, go back a country, go talk to them grandmother, them grandfather. Say it and sit down and hold a real meds. Say it, get back the thing them on them level there. Say it, talk to your mother and know what it is back then. Because right now, the internet of we need to change that. So I say, right now we need to change that. We need to know what's going on in Jamaica. The real thing, the real authentic, where we come from. We need to change that.
Yeah, man, all the mother and father them when they go on Facebook when them all 12, yo.
Monitor the youth them on the Facebook.
Change all them age and them thing there.
Yeah,
and
man.
the date of birth for go up on Facebook and them thing there, yo, them thing they need to cut out.
When you see what go on down, youth are Trelawney. You see what go on at Trelawney?
Crime and violence are take over the place.
When we are growing things they not go on. No man now use up now. How them youth? Stick.
Stick me here.
Stick, a 7-year-old youth.
That not nice.
Yeah, age 12 I think about them things. They think that we don't think about them things there. Them things are in a food thing.
When them American virgin guy yard and the man say yo yard sweet. I love Jamaica.
Sweet one.
See me? The man say you right the next time him guy yard a permanent. He want to go down there fight. Maybe want to go back to America. So imagine American who already come to Jamaica under this the circumstances of Jamaica with the crime and violence. So imagine when they ain't got all them crime and go on in the country and them thing there. Imagine how Jamaica are nice, Jamaica are rich, have a tourism and all them things there, you see me? You only have to build back the country. And that's the thing there right now. All I look at so-called shot at them, when they put on the arms them, and we could build back the country and we say, yo, I want a better Jamaica, I want a better future for youth them, because yo, youth them my future. You see me? Tatiana, the world.
Yeah man, so you know say I try the back again and come to document life as usual. Because right now it's a Monday. I don't even know what the date is, you know. Or the 11th. I think it's the 11th of November. Or 12 or something like so. Yo people when they say oh Jamaica pretty man, don't make we mashed up with crime and violence man. Make we load a gun something, you know man. Gun only kill people, you know. That alone it going, you know. And then when we go suburbs and kill you, you know. Remember say you left a father a mourn, a brother a mourn. You left somebody's son a mourn. You left all these things a breadwinner for your family when Pitney a go do. When that Pitney they grow up and know say you will kill him father. Man grow up and try kill back one of your people them. And the cycle go on and on and on and on. So we could start that week up on a positive note. Isn't it? Low negative people, low crosses people. Just enjoy the week. And short boss, big up by your earth strong. You get what I say? Part of the clippings here. We'll show some of short boss, earth strong and bag of things over there. So Philbert McDonald, aka Too Short, aka Short Boss. Yeah man a Too Short, we call him back at Jamaica man. Because he's same Too Short. Anyway still, a chatty and I'm out.